Hey guys, welcome back to Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I'll show you how I cover the gift box number 3 with a scrapbook paper. I need to check it out. Make sure that you have a skewer to help you lift up the paper. You want to make sure the paper sits all in there. Push the corners, make sure they're all down. As you can see, there is a little gap right here. I always can have the option to edit another piece of cardstock in there. Let's leave it like that for right now. And I'm gonna glue this other side. Alright, as I'm done glue the last piece over here, I decided to glue another one over here just because there is a little gap. So I'm gonna do it here on camera so you guys can see. If any of you guys make this box and leave a little gap, you can always glue another piece in there. Alright, time for the scrapbook paper, which is this one with the elephants. So I have to do this way. Make sure that you leave a space in because you need to fold this piece inside the box, and I space on this other side, and I space right here. See? Big enough to leave a space on the back of the box and on the front of the box. Or I would say space on the top of the box and on the bottom of the box. Alright, so I will cut out this and I'll be right back. Open like that, and add a little bit of glue. Same thing this side. Cut a little bit. Open. And there you go. I have a piece to put it right here on the bottom of the box, and I need to cut a little bit right here because you don't want to just be straight to the edge. You want to just leave a little bit out. So I need to cut a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a glue. And the box is all done. All right, I'm just gonna work with the box lid and I'll be right back. All done. The box lid is complete. What do you guys think? It's a cute little box. Oh, I miss a little bit over here. So let's just add a little glue. And done. Comment down below, like this video if you like it, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.